The world is filled with profound mysteries that leave many people pondering. There are rivers that science simply cannot explain, forests that seem to scream out at night, and even stones that mysteriously move all on their own. Some attribute these phenomena to the raw power of nature itself, while others believe they are traces left by other unknown realms. Today, I will reveal to you the 10 most bizarre and utterly unanswered natural mysteries found right here on Earth. Let's begin. The Amazon's boiling river. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, in one of its most remote and truly untouched regions, a river literally boils. The water's temperature can sometimes reach a full 100 degrees Celsius. There are no volcanoes nearby, so this water is not heated by magma. Even shamans refer to this river as the devil's breath, because creatures that fall into the river are cooked to death in just a few seconds. The steam near the river is so incredibly dense that breathing becomes quite difficult. Even though expeditions have indicated that the river is heated by thermal water sources, why does such a remarkably large amount of heat gather specifically in this particular region? This is a question that science has not yet been able to fully comprehend or explain. Number 9. The Screaming Forest. The Winfield Forest, located in England, is not like other ordinary forests. When the wind begins to pick up just a little bit, peculiar sounds, which are very much like human screams, start to emerge from deep within the forest itself. Some sounds are like a weeping woman, while others recall a screaming child. Residents say that centuries ago, people who suffered great loss were in this forest, and the voices of their spirits still wander through the trees. The scientific explanation for this phenomenon is that the trunks of the trees rub against one another, producing a resonant sound. But the real question is this: why does it sound so much like a genuine human voice, specifically in this particular forest? This still remains a complete mystery. 8. Blue lava eruption. Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano presents an ordinary sight during the day, but once night falls, it transforms into an entirely different world. From the mountain's base, blue, lava-like streams begin to flow. When people witness this for the very first time, they often believe that blue fire is erupting from deep beneath the earth. In actual fact, these are vivid blue flames, created when sulfur gas ignites and burns at extremely high temperatures. But this flame is so powerful that it even appears in the form of a flowing current. Visitors compare this sight to a scene from the end of the world. Although there's a scientific explanation, this phenomenon still remains mystical for many. 7. When you enter New Zealand's forests at night, it's as if thousands of stars have fallen to the ground. The glowworms living here illuminate the area beneath the trees at night. The natural light show, even from just a few meters away, is truly astonishing and captivating. This miraculous illumination is also a crucial and integral part of our delicate ecosystem. These glowworms attract various insects, ensuring the soil remains vibrant, alive.
Number 6. Next up is Salar de Uyuni, located in Bolivia. It is known as the world's largest salt flat. The vast area of Salar de Uyuni spans over 10,000 square kilometers, which means it is large enough to cover the entire city of Baku more than 50 times. This incredible location sits at an elevation of 3,600 meters above sea level. The most incredible moment, however, arrives after the rain. A thin layer of water forms on the desert surface, and the desert transforms into a mirror. It's as if the sky descends to the earth and you are walking on the clouds. NASA utilizes this location for calibrating its satellites. It's used for precise measurements. The surface is so flat, the error is just a few millimeters. It's also a paradise for photographers. 5th, Socotra Island, Yemen. If aliens were to come to Earth and make it their home, they would most likely choose to reside on Socotra Island. This unique island is situated in the vast Indian Ocean, and its natural environment is astonishingly distinct. It boasts more than 700 distinct species of plants. 2/3 of these species are found nowhere else in the entire world. The most famous of these is the dragon blood tree. Its trunk grows upside down and its branches spread out like an umbrella. A red-colored liquid flows from its interior. Its population is very sparse, and the island is included on UNESCO's World Heritage List. Here, time seems to have stopped, and nature preserves its ancient appearance.
4. Namibia's moving stones. These mysterious stones, found deep within the Namibian desert, move on their own during the night. Each morning, when people arrive at the desert, they discover long, distinct tracks left behind the stones. This clearly indicates that the stones have slid across the ground, covering hundreds of meters. Although researchers have placed numerous cameras throughout the area, they have been unable to capture what truly happens. It seems the stones consistently choose to move only during the hours when no cameras are actively recording. Some scientists say it's related to strong winds. But how does wind slide such heavy stones in such a precise direction? Scientific explanations still don't.
Number 3. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the Atlantic Ocean, situated between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. In this mysterious area, numerous ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace. Over 100 such incidents have been officially recorded since the mid-20th century. Some researchers attempt to explain these disappearances by citing severe sea storms, unusual shifts in magnetic fields, or sudden releases of methane gas from the seabed. But many incidents remain completely unexplained even from a scientific standpoint. Some researchers report that here, compasses point in strange directions and signals frequently disappear. So this area is still the greatest mystery of the seas. Second, Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon, located in the vast Arizona desert of the United States, is truly a magnificent work of art, sculpted by nature's own intricate design. Over countless millennia, the relentless forces of wind and water have sculpted the rocks, transforming them into mesmerizing, undulating forms. And the sun's ethereal rays, as they gracefully descend and penetrate deep within these rock formations, conjure up an enchanting, dynamic interplay of vibrant colors inside. Orange, crimson, and violet hues appear to pour directly from an artist's palette. This sacred location is considered a holy ground by the Navajo people. They firmly believe that this canyon serves as a dwelling place for ancient spirits. Thousands of dedicated photographers visit this site every single year, because with each passing minute, the shifting sunbeams create a completely different visual image.
A blood waterfall. The Blood Falls in Antarctica stands as one of the most enigmatic locations on our planet. Crimson-colored water slowly seeps through the pristine white glaciers. Upon its initial discovery, scientists genuinely believed that it was actual blood. It was later revealed that the water contains a high concentration of iron, which turns a vivid red upon contact with oxygen. But the water's source is still a great mystery. Under this waterfall, microbes isolated for 1,500,000 years live. They have seen neither sunlight nor breathed oxygen. Nature here isn't merely letting water flow, it's opening a gateway to another world. These mysteries truly show us how little we actually know. The world is far stranger and much grander than we could ever imagine. For more intriguing and mysterious discoveries, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
As you can see, our planet Earth never ceases to amaze us. Sometimes nature creates such incredible beauties and mysteries that the human mind can't even fully grasp them. So, which of these magnificent places would you like to visit? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay informed about these kinds of secrets. We'll see you in the next video.